Welcome to this quick and helpful guide, where I'll show you exactly how to hide your current experience on Roblox Web using your PC, especially after the latest update. If you've ever wanted more control over your privacy, or simply prefer not to broadcast what you're playing, this video is for you. Let's jump right in. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to the Roblox website. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Once you're on the main page, look for your profile icon or username, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Next to your username, you'll see a small gear icon. That's your gateway to all the important settings. Click on the gear icon, and a menu will pop up. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all sorts of account details. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll find a list of options. Look for Privacy and Content Restrictions and click on it. This section is where Roblox lets you fine-tune who can see what about your profile and activity. Inside Privacy and Content Restrictions, scroll down until you see Visibility and Private Servers. This is where things get interesting. Click on Visibility, and you'll be presented with several options that control who can see your current experience. This is the feature we're focusing on today. Now, simply click on the drop-down menu next to Who can see my current experience? You'll see a few choices, but to maximize your privacy, select No One. That's it. Now, no one will be able to see which Roblox game or experience you're currently playing. Your activity stays private, and you can enjoy your favorite games without broadcasting your status. And that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've taken control of your Roblox privacy settings on the web version. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!